Welcome to the strongest paper in the world. When packaging innerspring units, you can choose between roll packing and flat packing. We have very strong arguments for the roll packing method, in combination with the strongest paper in the world, Mondi's Advantage MF Springpack. Roll packing is the most efficient method because it allows perfect vertical compression of the springs. The spring units are therefore more compact and wrapped faster than ever. We pack 180 innerspring units an hour.
Wow, that's 4 times as much as I can achieve with flat packing. That's much more efficient and would also increase my productivity.
And there are no restrictions. You can use the roll packing method for both Bonnell spring and pocket spring units. The roll packing method is also very safe and user-friendly. You don't even need a machine to unpack innerspring units.